Hi everyone, especially to Ma'am Lumayag, our subject teacher to the Understanding Self. My name is J3 Pakolba. I enrolled in Diploma in Animal Science Technology. I learned from the subject Understanding Self is number one is self-awareness, recognizing your strength, weakness, values, and motivation in issues for personal growth, relationship, and decision making. Number two, understanding managing emotion effectively leads to a better relationship, communications, and overall well-being. Number three, formation. Exploring your beliefs, values, experience help shape your sense of identity and purpose. And number four, empathy and perspective. Understanding others' point of view foster communication, tolerance, and more meaningful connections. And lastly, number five, personal growth and development. Acknowledging areas for improving the effectively working of one development leads to a more fulfilling life.